babybus.
Click here to subscribe!
Little Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, black pants, and a red scarf around his neck. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Who's dad. You're awesome. Officer Kiki, it's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go! Ah! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.